Everybody thinks they can have the perfect decision. There is no perfect decision. There's just life.
Hi, Gary.
Hi.
I just want to say I'm a huge fan.
Thank you.
And you changed my life. Like in high school, I'm in my final year in high school, and I've had like a hard time finding friends, or like, but you've gotten me through like all of the hard days, and you've inspired me.
Thank you.
So my question is, I'm an athlete and I'm into sports science, and you always say like turn your passion into a business because
Yes.
you can monetize anything, right?
Yes.
So I was thinking, okay, I'll go to college, I'll go to university, get a sports science degree,
Yes.
and then open a gym or an institute.
Okay.
But then I realized, like, maybe I don't have to go to college. Maybe I can just start a business and find a sports scientist to partner up with me.
You could.
Yeah, but I also think I should go to college because it's a good experience. I just feel really lost. And
Can I put you in a very good mood?
Yes, please.
Whichever one you choose, you'll never know how the other one would have played out.
Yeah, that's true.
No, really, and I'm gonna use this for everybody. Everybody's so crippled by decisions, but you never know how the other thing worked out. Let me give you an example. Let's say you don't go to college, and you start this business, and you were 100% right, and it's huge, and you're doing so great,
Yeah.
but because you did that, you had to fly to America for a big meeting, and your plane crashed and you died. That would be a bad idea.
Yeah.
Or you think you're gonna go to college because it's a good experience and you'll meet people. You can meet people in a business. You're not gonna know. As some of you guys know, I famously passed on Uber twice, which means currently I missed out on $600 million. You could think that's a mistake, or if I would have invested in Uber, maybe I'd be somewhere else right now and picking up a disease that would kill me a year later, maybe. I think people overthink decisions. You'll never know what the alternative would have been. So just pick one and do it.
So you're saying that if I don't go to college, I won't be missing out on anything? Like,
No, I understand what you're asking, and everybody here thought it.
Because it's nice to have a safety, right? Like.
Yeah, I just don't think your degree is as safe as you think.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean that, and by the way, like, it's an important conversation. Parents grew up in an era where a degree was safe, but companies, guys, watch the world. The biggest companies in the world every day are stopping requiring college degrees. It's just not as valuable. So, but it might be, but for you, forget about a general concept. For you, maybe that degree would have been good. What I'm saying is, you're not gonna know. So choose, live, and then if it works out, great, and if it doesn't, adjust. Everybody thinks they can have the perfect decision. There is no perfect decision. There's just life. So pick and be happy with it.
Thank you so much, Gary. I love you.
I love you back.